this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, where I'm going to use this fun little cut file that I showed you in the beginning, and I will link everything down below. Make sure that you go in and like and subscribe to my channel, but then also go in and get yourself hooked up in the group, because she has an awesome challenge with a sketch and all of that stuff. As you guys could see, I did the last one. Now this time around I took another spring Polaroid one and went and used it for one of my photos that is of, it was a week. So Teacher Appreciation Week is always in May. And what happened was that, let me tell you, we ended up having to physically go out due to, you know, what's going on in the world right now. And we had to take off a whole week because we had too many teachers out and not enough subs to cover. And then obviously all the kids went out. So this one was one of those weeks where my daughter was at school with me, and we had to actually be at school versus them allowing us teachers to teach from home. We had to go into school because unfortunately when one messes up, we all get the reeks the negativity of it. So that is what this photo is, and what is on my photo, or what is on my t-shirt, it says teachers teach students, but what's crossed out is standards. It's, you know, long story. If you're not quite sure all about that, it's just all due to the fact that we all want to just teach the kids and not worry about, like, we'll do the standards, but we're not teaching to the standards. We're teaching the students. So if the students don't understand something, we have a harder time getting them to understand that, hey, look, we need to go backwards and, you know, take care of some of this stuff. So it's just a little bit, it's one of those shirts that I absolutely love, and I wear it all the time. And yeah, so let me tell you, I'm still getting used to, like, what my lighting is like, because it's a little bit different where I'm at. So I'm sorry for the different colors, but I'm working on it and I'm getting better at it. So this is only like the third or fourth layout I've had to do, and you can tell my colors are down for whatever reason. So I'm working on getting it set up a little bit better. For whatever reason, it's still looking a little bit darker than I'd like, so I'm sorry about that, but we'll get it fixed. It's trial and error until I can get it knocked out and get it in the right spots and all that fun stuff. So here I am taking the new, not the newest collection. I think this one is, I just got April's in. So this has got to be March's collection. And this is the first time I'm using March's collection from Hip Kit. And that is what I am documenting. And this is all Pink Fresh Studio, if I remember correctly. Or I should say some of this is from Pink Fresh Studio, and then some of it is Hip Kit related, obviously. And what I'm feeling right now is a little bit crazy at this moment, because it was when we have to go out, I absolutely love going out, because, you know, the kids that my counterpart teacher and I had last year was like fantastic, like absolutely fantastic. This year it's a little bit different when the kids go out, just, you know, a different set of kids and whatnot, but ultimately they still do a really good job about getting their work done. I mean, I still have some of them that decide, hey, I'm not going to do anything. Well, you know, that just hurts them in the long run, right? I mean, as much as I hate to say it for that, but what I'm doing here is that I'm just backing and I'm finding all of the nice little embellishments that I want to stick around here on this layout, because I really like to use these florals, and I'm really doing the dimensions. So unlike last time I made more the florals be the focal point of it and had the cut file like the second thing you see. Whereas this one, I wanted the cut file to be like number 1 and have the embellishments like number 2, so that you focus more on what is in the Polaroid, you know, or the cut file versus what I did the last time. So obviously you can use your cut files in a different fashion of however you feel like it, but cut files, I mean, I'm telling you, like, I absolutely love them. 100% hands down love them. So while I am finishing this out on top, I hope that you go like and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I will be having my 3,000 subscriber giveaway towards the end of April to the beginning of May. Just because I got to get through state testing. You all know that I'm a teacher, obviously, and state testing is what is going on right now. And let me tell you, 2 weeks of it. I'm counting down the days. I love teaching. Believe you me, I love teaching. I love the kids. I love what I do. But I am so glad that I am down to 5 more Mondays. 5 more Mondays. And then I have summer school that I'm going to teach as well. So I have 5 more Mondays of regular school, and then I've got a week off, and then I've got 3 weeks of summer school, and then I am out until the next school year. So I am almost there. Yay. But in the meantime, I am going to finish this up. Make sure that you get yourself into the new group, or into the group, I should say. Go check out the cut files. She's going to have she has fantastic cut files. I absolutely love everything that she has ever produced. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.